The following message is transmitted at the request of the Center for Disease Control. A contagious disease warning is in effect for the following counties: Livingston, Monroe, Ontario. An unidentified virus is currently spreading through the cities of Rochester, Victor, Honeoye Falls, and Avon. Although the virus seems mostly harmless, studies have found that this virus is evolving rapidly. Symptoms include bloodshot eyes, dizziness, high fever, and lightheadedness. Because of this, it is advised to take basic sanitary precautions. Wash your hands frequently. Stay 6 feet away from people. It is recommended that you wear a face mask. If you are experiencing these symptoms, go to the nearest hospital for treatment. Currently, this disease has no cure, however the body can fight it off. Stay tuned to this station or other media outlets for more information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York State government. Due to the high mortality rate of the Zeta virus, martial law has been declared. Go inside your home and bring any pets with you. Close and lock all windows and doors. Do not leave your home under any circumstance. Law enforcement will give supplies every day. It is unknown how long martial law will be in effect for. Stay tuned to news outlets for more updates as they become available.
Authorities in Niagara Falls and St. Catharines have requested to inform the public about a new virus that is extremely dangerous. The virus, now named Zeta virus, has originated in New York State and has spread to Buffalo. Due to the nature of the virus, we ask all residents within a 50-kilometer radius to treat this virus like COVID-19. Remain indoors when possible. Stay 2 meters apart from people, and wear a face mask. This virus is extremely dangerous. It has already claimed the lives of 1,200 people. Take action now.
We interrupt normal programming to bring you an emergency announcement. The NYPD urges all people in New York to be extremely cautious after rioting in Lower Manhattan. Right now, martial law is in effect and you are not to leave your homes. However, rioters are damaging property in several locations, including Tribeca and Soho. The NYPD was seen attempting to break up these riots at the World Trade Center, but progress is stalling. Once again, this is a life-threatening situation and you should take action now to stay safe.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York Police Department. Residents of New York State, lock outdoors and do not go outside. There are massive riots going throughout New York City because of the martial law declaration. Some of these rioters are armed and extremely dangerous. It is critical that you cooperate with martial law, as leaving your home is currently illegal.